everyone, I'm Linda. Today I'm going to talk to you about pre-washing fabric, a big debate in quilting. To pre-wash or not to pre-wash, that is the question. In my opinion, you should always pre-wash. The one place you can't pre-wash are pre-cuts because they can really fray. Everything that comes in yardage, fat quarters, whatever, should be washed. And here's why. They off-gas the chemicals that they're made with. And there's some pretty serious chemicals in fabric production, including formaldehyde and phenols. Fabrics are full of loose dye. And if you wait until you've made that beautiful red and white quilt and chuck it in the washer after you've completed the quilt, there's a good chance you're going to have red in your white and your quilt is going to be pink. So what can you do about this? Pre-wash everything that comes in the house, with the exception of pre-cuts. Second, you can use color catchers in your wash, which also means you're pre-washing your fabric. A lot of people use color catchers in the final wash of their quilt, and that catches the free dye that comes off the fabric. But why take that chance? Just throw it in the washing machine and be done with it. I know it's going to fray unless you take extra steps for that, but just wash it. And I have also heard quilt shop owners talk about the feces of various things like rats and mice in with fabric. Don't put that stuff in your house. Throw it in the washer and be done with it. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye now.